Hi guys! Today we will try the viral Andeng's Ebon Buru! Wow! Now, we will try this. Titikman namin ang masarap na Ebon Buru or Ebon Buru means salted egg.
No, wait, is this already cooked?
Yes, it's cooked already. Now we will try it. This is how we're going to eat it. We cut it in half. Boop!
But I did that with the plate.
And then we're gonna open it. Yun. Uy! Wow! Totoo nga ang balita.
Can you help me open this?
Totoo ang yung
Yeah, show it to me.
oil is tastes good.
I love this one. I like this in the red one, right?
Yes. And look at the color and the oil inside. It's a natural oil
Daddy,
from the Ebon Buru.
I have to bite. I want to bite.
Ebon. Okay. Ooh. Good.
Hi, can you remove?
Okay, we're gonna remove it now. Is it very tasty? How does it taste like?
I want to eat it every day.
Ooh, you want to eat it every day. Wow. Is that how good it is?
Yeah.
Wow. How does it taste like?
Good.
Uy! One big bite! Sarap naman yan. Do you want it with rice? You want to eat it only like this? Okay, so what's the verdict? Good?
Good.
Super good?
Yeah.
Okay, say like this. Super good! Approve! Look.
Approve.
Approve! Thank you! One more bite. Okay. One, two. Ay, saburi na. Alright guys, so the verdict is very good. So try nyo na ang Andeng's Ebon Buru. Okay guys, say bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you. There, I love these.
I love this soup. Boss, malinamnam. Malinamnam. Sakto yung alat, hindi sobrang alat. At sobrang malinamnam talaga kaya bagay na bagay siya sa rice or just by taking it by itself. Thank you, Andeng Ebon Buru. So the best Ebon Buru in the whole wide world.
Daddy, look.
Cheers!
Daddy, look. Daddy,
Mmm.
look. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.